What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And today I'm going to be making a helpful video about what ETFs are. They've been kind of a big trend lately, so let's get everybody in the know about them. So ETFs stand for Exchange Traded Funds, which basically means they can just be traded on the stock market. So let's get a quick little history of it. The SPY was the first ETF ever created in 1993, and it reflected the price of the S&P. So basically, what ETFs are an exchange traded fund, right? Something's traded on the stock market that reflects the price of an underlying asset or index. So, for example, we might have gold. There's going to be an ETF for gold that shows the price movement. It's not going to be priced the same as like gold per ounce, but as gold goes up, the ETF will go up. As gold goes down, the ETF will go down. And they have these for commodities. They have them for industries, indexes. So you'll see ETFs for the NASDAQ, silver, the biotech industry, all these different things. So let's get right into what exactly how they work. So here we have the SPY, which is the first one that I was talking about earlier. And on the top here, we have the S&P. This is the index for the S&P. So as you can see, they have the same price movement, the ETF on the bottom and the index on the top. As it has this dip here on the S&P, you'll see the same dip in the ETF. As the S&P goes up here, you'll see the ETF go up. As the S&P peaks out here, same peak here on the ETF, and then again, when the S&P goes down, the ETF goes down along with it. So this is the different types of ETFs. I actually made this PowerPoint for a school a while back, but I figured I'd use it for this video. So we're going to kind of ignore the stuff on the top and focus here on the inverse ETFs, which I think is kind of the most important thing here. So what an inverse ETF is let's say the market's going down, right? An inverse ETF, so you're going to have an ETF that's going down with the market, but an inverse ETF will actually go up as the market goes down. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So here we have gold. On the bottom here, we have an ETF for gold called JNUG, J-N-U-G, and this reflects the price of gold. On the top here, we have JDST, which is the inverse to gold. So as gold goes down here, you can see the inverse ETF goes up. Vice versa, when the ETF for gold goes up, the inverse ETF for gold goes down. So I think that's all we're going to be doing. Yeah, that's all we're going to be doing on the PowerPoint. But let's take it over to my Thinkorswim charts here, and we can get more into it. So the reason I brought the inverse ETFs is because that's how people can make money on a downtrending market. So up here I have the NASDAQ futures, and I'm going to show you what I mean here. So we recently had this nice climb up and then this big drop. This is a recent drop we had. So obviously you can't make money on this unless you're shorting the market. But what we can do here is I'm going to pull up first of all the ETF for this that reflects this price, right? So as you can see, it looks very similar, right? It has the same uptrend and then it has this drop in. Sorry, I have this Fibonacci here, but it looks the same. So if we go to the inverse ETF, which is SQQQ, you'll see right at the time when the NASDAQ started to drop, the SQQ started to go up. So it works perfectly inverse. So this is how you can make money on a declining market, or how you can make money in a certain range trading the inverse and the reflecting ETF. So guys, I hope this video helped out. I really just wanted to get everybody in the know about what ETFs are and put it out there. Super simple. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, and if you did like it, please drop it a like, show a little support. And if you have any questions, any more video suggestions, go ahead and drop a comment or shoot me a DM. My Instagram and my Twitter handle are the Stock Guru, TH3 Stock Guru. THE was taken, so we went with TH3 Stock Guru. That's my handle on Instagram and Twitter. You can DM me if you have any more questions or video suggestions. But yeah, I think that's it for me, guys. So I'm out.